You better paddle on the other side or you're going to end up under that tree. Y'all are putting the paddle on the wrong side. Tell Daniel he needs to paddle the other side.
Yeah, it's not turning me.
Oh my ass. He's somewhere behind that cypress tree, I don't know. You can pull her up the hill. Crackheads. They gonna come off that. They gonna bust their ass. That's Daniel and Heather up there being all crazy and shit. Push! There you go, get it! Come on, Heather, get it! Push! Push! Come on, keep pushing! You came a good way that time. Deer?
Yeah, big ass buck.
Daniel, you need to do what Heather just did.
That thing is like that long.
Daniel needs to try it just like Heather did. Heather come all the way down the hill, baby, to right here. She said, that's fun. That was funnier than hell. She was getting it too, all red in the face. You don't hear Kelsey, do you? My arm get tired. Let's see what Daniel does. Whoa, I'm moving all over the place. Paddle hard now.
Do it right this time. Hold on. She went running. She had it laying there. She went running and dove on it. Just said.
Got it on the scissors.